Being the only woman in here has been interesting. A lot of the guys were like kind of hesitant, like to just talk normally, but I'm not like a girly girl, so they warmed up to me and it's fun. I was like the first one the company had in here, so they were all excited about it.
OK Industries in New Britain engineers and manufactures components and subassemblies for OEMs in medical, surgical, precision, and specialty markets. As demand for highly skilled manufacturing workers increases, their apprenticeship program has proven to successfully help them acquire and retain skilled employees.
I started working in assembly, and then we had a communications meeting, and on the board they put up a notice that they were taking new apprentices in, so I asked about it if girls could do it too, and they said yeah. So I took a test, I passed the test, and then started a couple months later. What attracted me to the program was that it was more like hands-on work, so you're like moving around more and like building things and not just sitting and stuffing a part into another one, because that was boring to me. So it's more like you gotta think more. I'm about a little over 2,000 hours in, so I've been here for about almost 2 years.
The apprenticeship program takes 8,000 hours to complete. First you have to learn how to use all the equipment in the tool room, the millers, the lathes, grinders, and heat treat process also, and then so that enables you, that's just like a foundation for you to make parts and to make tools for the customer that are required. And the program, even though you finish your 8,000 hours, it still takes a long time to, a few more years to be proficient at it, because you have to troubleshoot complex products and stuff to meet the customer's specifications. So it's definitely an interesting field. It's always something different. It's never the same mundane things that you do day in and day out. But it's definitely a hands-on experience. It's different reading about it and then actually doing it, People can make 6 figures salary, that's pretty good for being able to, work with your hands.
We make fixtures, dies. We do scissor blades for like the Da Vinci surgery robots. We sharpen those in the grinders. The punches that I polish are for like a surgical device that staples.
Trade is advanced with technology, and so it's still a learning experience. Even 30 years later, I'm still learning things. You have to realize that they're starting from ground zero, and things that I think are easy might be complicated to somebody who's never done it before, and they might be a little nervous about not being able to solve a problem. Alexandria has been a pleasure to work with. She has a good attitude, positive all the time, and she's eager to learn, and she's not afraid to ask questions. And I like showing people what I know. I don't, when I'm retired, I want as much knowledge as I have to be spread to other people so that they can keep our country going. I don't want to take everything I know with me. I want to leave it behind.
I like working with him because he's very like hands-on teaching, and like you can ask him all the dumb questions and he'll answer all of them. It's never like too many. He likes to like show you, so like he makes you do the work when you have a question like, how do I do this? He'll make you do it yourself, which is, I think, the best option for learning. And he's always helpful. He always has like advice. My goal is just to have like a solid career, so because I'm a single mom, I want to like provide for my daughter and give her like a stable home and just make sure she's taken care of and good. And this is like a good opportunity for that because you can always grow, you can always earn more, you can always learn more. So, and then I want her to see that like girls don't have to do like, they don't have to be secretaries or whatever. Like you can do the dirty jobs. They're still fun. Like girls can do whatever. So I want to like be a good role model for her. The main thing when I feel like just quitting or anything, just going home, like I just think about her and what she needs. Like she depends on me. I'm all she has. During COVID-19, we were considered essential, so I had to come in all the time, every day. Same thing. Nothing changed for me, but my daughter's daycare closed, so I had to scramble to find childcare, so that was challenging, but it worked out most of the time. When I first started here, I had a hard time reaching out for help because I was like really shy. For me, it was kind of difficult to just go up to someone that is so like good in the trade. I don't know anything because I started from scratch. I had no experience, so at first it was difficult, but now I feel like I can ask people questions. For anyone else that's like unsure what they want to do with their life, like if they're looking to switch careers, like I never went to college. I graduated high school. I married my high school sweetheart. That failed. And then I had nothing. I came here and just kind of winged it. But you don't really need college experience. Like I was just never sure what to do, so I never went. But then I came here and got this opportunity.
This production is part of American Graduate, Getting to Work, a public media initiative made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.